I'm ready to do this meal prep. 3 meals. Let's go. Shepherd's pie. Oh my gosh, this smells so lovely. Nice and flavorful. And this is going in the dishes with my vegetables. It worked out perfectly. There you go. Got yourself some ketchup?
Yeah, I got some ketchup.
Okay. Mommy will cut them for you, okay?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Jen here. I'm just waking up, starting this beautiful day. It's beautiful outside. Can you see? I just got Rogero some hash browns. Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Is your hash browns good?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he asked for hash browns. Akeen asked for salad with chicken fingers. So here's the chicken fingers. I'm going to get the salad together now. I also went ahead and took out some salmon and some chicken breast and some ground turkey. So stay tuned to see what I'm going to do with all of this. Akeen has to work, so, and I feel like cooking. Stay tuned. You want some juice, my darling?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have 100% cranberry raspberry today. And I'm gonna mix it with, well now, some water. We always gotta add water, right? There you go. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, babe. Juice. Yummy?
Yeah.
He loves his ketchup. That's where he gets his sugar from. Lettuce all washed and cut up. Sprinkled some Parmesan and some matzo cheese. Renee's Caesar. He does not like the mighty Caesar because it's too garlicky. He just likes the regular Renee's Caesar. I add the sauce and mix it up. So this is the way Akeen likes it. He likes his bacon bits a little warm with some pancake syrup. You all know how he likes his sugar. So I put that, but he still eats healthy as well. So this is just the way he likes it. So this is how I do it. Now, mind you, he would prefer if I cooked bacon, but I'm not doing that today. I'm doing bacon bits. Then he likes some of this on top of it. And this. And that's how Babe likes his salad. And he likes his chicken strips on the side. So he also likes honey and Diana sauce. So let's bring it into him. What you doing? You bouncing your balloon? Show everyone how you can do it. Let me see. Bounce your balloon. Yay! So let's see what hubby... Knock, knock. Good morning. Here's your salad. I'm vlogging, actually. There you go. What you reading? Ooh, that's a good book. Here's your...
What are you doing, Papa?
I just played balloon.
You playing with your balloon? Who blow it for you?
I got it.
Okay.
Say, Mommy blew it for me, but he can blow a balloon. Why don't you go get your balloon and show Daddy how you can blow it up? So, what did you do with the honey?
Oh, I put it on my salad.
Oh, okay, and then you put that on. This is how he likes it. This is my husband's favorite meal, y'all. This is it right here.
Guys, good morning. Good morning.
Do Beautiful day out there today. Well, enjoy your salad, babe. So you're going to work today. I took out 3 different things to cook. I'm going to meal prep for the week, and I'm going to take everyone along with me as I do it.
Go, girl. Hang on.
Beautiful day in Campbell River today. Oh my goodness, I just love the weather here is so good. It's a little chilly though. Yeah, it's cold, but it's good. So I'm gonna clean up this kitchen and then I'm going to get dressed and showered and get to cooking, y'all. Okay, show everyone how you can blow up your balloon. Oh my goodness, keep going. That one is pretty new, so it's harder. Good job. Look at this, guys. Wow, that's really impressive. Oh my goodness, I showed him yesterday and he just figured it out. Wow. Let me see. Come here. Wow, Raj. Look at you go. Come give me a high five. Down low. Too slow. No, actually you hit it, so we weren't too slow. So my husband is fed, my son is fed, and I haven't eaten yet, but I just choose to clean up the kitchen before I sit down to eat, because there's something about eating in a clean kitchen to me. It just, I don't know, it kind of settles my anxiety or settles my overwhelming feelings if the kitchen is clean before I sit down to eat. I know everybody don't think the same way, but that is what helps calm me down. So to all the moms and wives out there that are feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, or just not yourselves today, I want you to know you're not alone. It is so easy to get caught up in the negative, the never-ending to-do list, the dishes, the cooking, the cleaning. It can feel like too much sometimes. Sometimes you just want to stay in bed and not face the day. And in those moments, it's okay to admit that you're tired. It's okay to feel it. But one thing that helps is gently shifting your focus. For me, I'm determined to be a good mom, and I'm determined to be a good wife. So instead of sitting in our frustration, try to put on some music you love, take a deep breath, and remind yourself of the good. The fact that we have a family that are fed, our home is filled with life, that we have people to love and care for. It's a beautiful day outside. The sun is shining. I'm not in a wheelchair anymore. I don't know what you guys' story is, but like for me, I'm not in a wheelchair anymore. I'm able to walk and get these things done. Because when you start looking at the positives, even in the middle of the mess, something changes. The weight feels a little lighter. The moment feels a little softer. You don't have to do everything perfectly. You don't have to have it all together. Just take it one step at a time. Give yourself grace and know that what you're doing matters more than you realize. And if no one has told you today, you are doing an amazing job. And remember, God loves you. He sees you and He hears you. So you could always ask Him to help you get through the tasks that you need to get through for the day, to help you to be a good wife and to be a good mother. So just remember, focus on positive. Choose gratitude where you can and hold on to these moments, because one day we may look back and wish we had them again. Time to eat. drink your water. Well, guys, I'm ready to do this meal prep. 3 meals. Let's go. So far, I've got my water on to boil for the potato. And I got my potatoes peeled and washed. This is going to be for the shepherd's pie that I'm going to make with the ground turkey. I'm just going to do some frozen vegetables fried out with butter, garlic, and some seasoning with the salmon. And then the chicken, I'm going to do a stir fry. So stay tuned. And I'm going to do 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water. Okay, so for my potato, salt. For my rice, salt, and for my rice, butter and green onion. And I'm gonna get a cover and cover it. Okay, I'm gonna put my potatoes in. And I'm gonna boil them till they're soft. So the potatoes are for the shepherd's pie. I'm gonna do the rice with the stir fry chicken. Yeah, the chicken stir fry. And then, like I said, salmon and vegetables. So stay tuned. Okay, so once it starts boiling, I just turn it down a little bit, not all the way. It's still gonna continue boiling. And then my rice is boiling now. So I'm gonna turn that on about 3. And leave that covered for a bit. And now I'm gonna cut up my vegetables and yeah, season up the meat. Let's do it. I should have already seasoned up the meat and I didn't. So I'm doing things a little backwards, but it'll still work, I promise. I was actually just laughing here thinking, because I have like a little bit of anxiety doing this. So I'm thinking, maybe I could like have my hair all messed up and flour all over my face and say, okay guys, so this is what try to make it funny, to try to relieve my anxiety that I'm feeling right now. Like, what am I gonna do next? How am I vlogging this? But anyway, let me try to calm down. Anyway, so I found a piece of squash or pumpkin in the fridge, and I've decided I'm going to add this to the potato to mix with the mashed potato for the shepherd's pie. I think it'll taste so delicious, and if I don't use it, it's going to go bad, so why not? I'm just going to add that in with the potato now. I don't know if most of you guys know, I am 50, oh my gosh, how old am I? 51 or 52? I think I'm 51. Yeah, I'm 51. I think I'm going through menopause. I'm having more anxiety, a little bit of forgetfulness, but not a lot. Just little silly things like how old I am. Nothing big, you know. But anyway, Akeen's at work right now. Rogero's in bed. And I'm enjoying my peace that I'm having right now. But at the same time, I'm just a little bit, like I said, anxious because I'm vlogging. And I'm not really comfortable doing this without Akeen here, believe it or not. He's the yin to my yang, you know? But anyways, I'm gonna cut up. See, this is the thing. I didn't even season the meat yet. Let me season the meat first. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'll get it together yet. Don't you worry. This is gonna not be a fail vlog. It's gonna be a good vlog. It's gonna be the honest, true Jen. Silly, fun, down to earth, goofy me. Anyone that knows me knows this is me. A little all over the place, but a good heart, a good wife, a good mom, yeah, a good worker. So I will be going back to work soon. like in 1 month, end of April, so I will be back to work. Which is a little scary because I haven't been at work for 15 months and now I have a little boy. So, but I believe in God. So you guys can't see what I'm doing right now. I have the ground turkey. I'm going to season it up. Oh my gosh. God be with me right now. Get it together, Jen. Get it together. All right, let's get some seasonings on the go here. I'm going to use garlic powder. Complete seasoning. We just have it in a little dish here. The gravy or the browning that I have. I'm going to turn the potatoes down a little bit. So I'm going to put it in the cap so I don't put too much. Akeem got me on this. I use it all the time. I love it. I'm going to use a little bit of the all-purpose Maggi. Another one that I love so much. And then I'm going to put some pepper. And I don't think I'm going to put salt at this point in time. But I am going to put some onion in it and some other garlic, like the minced garlic. And I'm going to cook it up, mix it all up, and fry it in the frying pan. And I'm going to make like a sauce on it and then make a shepherd's pie. So what a shepherd's pie is, if you don't know, most of you I'm sure would know. But a shepherd's pie is, I'm just going to use corn. So there's different ways to do it. I'm going to use corn and I'm going to use the mashed potato with the squash, and I'm going to fry this up and put like a gravy on it. Yeah. So I'm going to get some regular fresh garlic. This garlic kind of sucks actually. It's not very good. But it's going to have to do now. So I got my rice turned right down, guys. So the way I make my rice shelly is I do 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. So since I have 2 cups of rice, that equals 3 cups of water. And you let it boil for a minute and then you turn it down. Yeah, and then that makes my shelly rice. And what we mean by shelly is it's shiny and it's like not stuck together and mushy. It's like maybe a little bit on the, not hard side, but how can I explain it? It's shiny and it's just not stuck together and mushy. So we're going to use some garlic. Okay, now I'm going to turn my pan on. A bit of olive oil. So guys, I'm not using ground beef. I'm using ground turkey. I couldn't see any ground beef in my freezer. So this is ground turkey right here. I'm going to let the pan heat up before I put that in. I cut my finger, so I put a Band-Aid on it. And I'm going to put gloves on. So let's add to the pan. I'm probably going to end up seasoning this up a bit more, but I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Probably should use a bigger pan too, by the look of it. But once it cooks down, it'll be smaller, so. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook while I season the chicken. So, Chicken. I use the same seasoning pretty much for whatever I'm doing. One thing about me, I'm a paper towel person. Oh my gosh. Anyone that knows me too, I love my paper towel, let me tell you. So this is complete seasoning. Pretty much the same seasonings as before. Gravy browning. Paprika. Ginger. Sesame oil. This is going to be for stir fry, remember? Pepper. I'm going to use a little bit of oregano. I love me some oregano. All right, now let me mix all this together. Oh, and by the way, guys, I did wash this chicken. And it is breast. Okay, so I'm going to put that aside for a minute. Let's put that right there. I'm going to wash my hands. I think I'm going to put a couple carrots in my, because this is going to be more for Raj, and I want him to have some vegetables too, right? So I'm going to put some carrot in for him. All right, so these are my potatoes and my squash. I'm going to put them aside, mash them up with some butter and some milk in just a little bit. Right now, I got to finish getting the carrot in here. This is what it looks like right now. Okay. I'm going to cover that. Put a little bit of water in it. So I'm going to cover it and let it simmer while I get the rest of the food. So the chicken is done. I got to cut up the vegetables. I'm going to season the salmon. Stay tuned. And you know what? I just realized what anxiety is from. It's from the fear of failing. That's what it is right now. That's what I'm feeling. I'm feeling like, what if this all fails and this all doesn't work? And then my vlog is no good. That's what it is. But in the name of Jesus, this is going to be a good vlog. Everything is going to be perfect. I'm going to have great, wonderful meals for my family, and I'm going to share it with you guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I did a little bit of work. I was talking to my friend Sharon, you know, getting my anxiety down. She's kind of my anxiety pill, I just call her. Grandma Sharon. Anyways, so this is ready to be mashed with cream and butter. I've got corn for my shepherd's pie, and this is for my stir fry. My rice is done. And I'm going to make a gravy on this now. I just tasted it. It is so good. So if it's not good, Rogero's not going to eat it, so I have to make it good. So I'm going to make everything really tasty. I'm going to put it all together. I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to put some cheese over the top of it. I'm going to use this casserole dish right here. And I'm going to spray it. If I can find the spray, just so it doesn't stick. So I'm just going to use some Pam. There we go. I'm going to line the bottom. So I'm going to line the bottom with the hamburger meat once I get the gravy done on it. I'm just going to use, I love this stuff, guys. I don't know if you use this, but I'm going to use this. Sometimes I've used cream of mushroom soup, but I think Rogerio would like this better, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, guys, so I put the gravy package, a little bit of water, a little bit of cream, and a little bit extra like parsley, a little bit of the vegetable seasoning. Here I've got salt, pepper, parsley, and complete. I'm going to make it nice and creamy for Raj. Okay. So good. Okay, we'll add a little bit of water to this. Hot water, y'all. Okay. I think I'm going to put a little bit more browning. I like everything brown now. Being Jamaican, he likes everything dark, so now so do I. So do I. Let's make this a little darker. I'm also used to this being hamburger meat, but this is turkey, so gotta work it a little harder to get it darker. Whereas hamburger meat is just, you know, automatically dark. Okay, I think this is good. So let me try it. So good. So this is it. This is for the base of my shepherd's pie. I did a few things off the camera. So I got this ready to be mashed up. I've got butter and I've got cream. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper in it. And then I got corn for the shepherd's pie. And this is for the stir fry. All right, so that's that. And then I'm gonna put the corn in. Spread that around. Right. Okay, so I just put the potato on top and then I'm gonna sprinkle the cheese and pop it in the oven. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, the hamburger meat, the corn, the blended mashed potato, so it's nice and smooth and creamy with the cheese on top, and now I'm gonna pop it in the oven. This is my rice. It's nice and shelly. Now I'm going to do chicken stir fry. I don't have any broccoli or cauliflower, so I'm just going to use what I have here. Green pepper, red pepper, carrot, thyme, onion, Now I'm going to add this to the pan. My chicken already seasoned, and my carrot, green pepper, red pepper, onion, and yeah. It's just going to be a small stir fry because I don't have any broccoli or cauliflower, so we're just going to make do with this. Mix it with the chicken and mix it with the rice, so my boys can have some food. So this is my shepherd's pie. I'm going to let it cool down a bit and then I'll put it in dishes. I did take the cover off so that the top could cook a little bit. So, yep, that's that. One dish down. Now another one on the go, and then I'm going to do my salmon last. It's the easiest. I'm going to save the easiest for last. So I'm going to cook my chicken first and then add the vegetables. So my aunt bought me this, guys. It's called Rain Coast Trading Marinade and Dipping Sauce with garlic and ginger. So I'm going to use a little bit of this in my chicken. It smells so good. You know, I'm going to be honest. This is the first shepherd's pie that I've made, and I don't know how long. But my daughter and her boyfriend made it the other day, and Raj loved it. So I decided to make them one. We are chicken and fish eaters mostly, so that's ground turkey in that shepherd's pie, and I'm hoping he'll like it. All right, I'm going to add the veggies. I'm just going to plop it all in, guys. Oh my gosh, I switched phones. Look at the difference. Oh, this phone is so good. This is our work phone. But I was downloading another video, so I couldn't use it. But whoa, the colors look so bright. Oh my gosh, this smells so lovely. So I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook. Alright. A little bit of pineapple. Give it some acidity. Okay guys, it's coming together nicely. I just put another package of that gravy in here. It's my favorite thing to make taste and to thicken it up. I'm just going to add a little more water, and then that'll be ready to go over the rice. Yeah, it's just about done. Smells so good. Tastes is so yummy. Alright, so this is my finished product. So the carrots, as you can see, watch. I can cut them. They're a little bit hard, but perfect hardness. You don't want them too soft, right? Perfect. I'm going to turn that off. It's turned off. And now it's ready to go in the dish with the rice. Okay, so everything's coming along nicely. Now I'm going to use these. These are, oh shoot, I got something on my face. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm cooking next. It is my favorite mixed vegetables. So yeah, just going to put that in there. Let that simmer for a bit. I'm going to add some water. Yeah. Few dishes to clean up, nothing serious. Yeah. So I'll let them simmer and then I'll cook them with butter. Yeah, and then I still have my salmon. Okay guys, so now I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to drain this water and I'm going to turn them brown, put some browning in them, a little bit of brown sugar, salt, pepper, seasoning, and butter, and like brown them up a bit. Okay, so I put just a little bit of butter, not much, and I put a little tiny bit of gluten-free soy sauce. I'm going to put this on high. I'm also going to put a little bit of this. A little bit of this one. There's no MSG in this one. It's just a garlic and herb blend. I'm going to put a little bit of ginger and salt and pepper. And why not? Chili flakes. So I'm going to let that brown up. Burn a little bit. Smoked paprika. I love this stuff. I put this in a lot of stuff. You know what? I'm going to put a bit of cayenne pepper too. Just a splash. Just a splash. I'm going to turn that down. I'm going to put a little bit of dill. It's going to be nice and flavorful. And that should be done now. And that's what I'm going to have with my salmon. Okay guys, this is sockeye salmon that I got from Costco. I'm actually going to use a Cane's special seasoning and some curry and put some coconut in it. And I'm going to fry it in some olive oil. So let me season it up. Some salt, some pepper, okay, just let the pan get hot. This is my last thing, you guys, and then you get to see all the stuff I have prepared. Okay guys, this is the final part to my night. It's been going so good, like seriously. I mean, I've just been having so much fun, and it's coming along nicely. This is the last thing I have to do tonight. My glass is kind of broke, but that's okay. You know, might have got a little frustrated. Nothing serious. Nothing serious. Yeah, so salmon is in the pan. I'm going to fry that up nice and brown. And then I'm going to work on my coconut curry sauce. Yeah, and then you get to see all the lovely food that I cooked. Okay. I'm just going to burn some curry, y'all. Yep. Put my fish back in. I'm just going to add some coconut milk and call it a day, guys. Get my veggies. Because your girl's tired. I'm tired. And guys, my husband's not here to open this can. But this is how I do it. I can't hold. Let me see if I can do this. So yeah, coconut milk. I thought I was just taping, but I don't think I was now. I don't know, but I use this to open this. My husband gets all sexy on me and uses this, but I just used the can opener. So I can't do this with one hand, so bear with me here. Okay guys, like I said, I'm tired. So I added some chili flakes, some salt and pepper. It tastes good, so that's all that I care about. And this is going in the pan, or the dishes with my vegetables, and this will be for me. Of course, the king can have some if he wants. He can have whatever he wants, but... Okay, guys, stay tuned. I'm just about done. Anyone says being a wife is difficult, I don't know what they're talking about. It's just easy. So easy. I made all these meals, and... yeah, other than a broken pair of glasses, hair a little messed up, exhausted, I'm doing fine. I got meals cooked for the week. Hallelujah. Dishes are done. Yay. So I was just joking. Other than my eyebrow wiped off a little bit. My glasses are not broke. They were just an old pair. I was just having some fun. I had so much fun. This is my finished product. So we've got shepherd's pie. We've got stir fry and rice. And salmon and veggies. Just how I had planned it. It worked out perfectly. So it took a couple of hours, but you know, I was vlogging, I was talking to my friend, I was putting Rogero to bed, I had lots of other things going on, so, but I got her done. So now I don't have to do any cooking the rest of the week. Everybody can just grab a dish when they're hungry. So I'm excited. I hope you all had fun. Thank you so much for watching. That was hubby calling from work. So yes, that's it, guys. This is the finished product. I'm so excited. Dishes are done. I've got a little bit of cleaning up to do right here, but the dishes are done and not a lot left to do. And then I'm going to bed because I am tired. But no, I didn't break my glasses. It was all a joke. I'm a Newfoundlander and I love to carry on, but it really wasn't that difficult. Yeah. So, y'all wives and girlfriends, meal prep is the way to go. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you again for watching. We love you. We appreciate you. I pray God's richest blessings over everybody that watches our vlogs, all our subscribers. Thank you for all the people who subscribed. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. It would help us out tremendously. And also remember to like, comment, and share. Guys, be nice, okay? I'm like literally just joking. I'm not a chef. I'm just cooking some food for my family the best way I know how with what I have in my fridge. What ingredients I have in there I used, and yeah, I make it work. That's how I do it. So anyway, blessings. Mwah. Peace out. Oh my gosh. I just love this fish so much. Coconut curry salmon. You all have to try this. Okay guys, I couldn't end it without trying the shepherd's pie. Let me tell you, this is it is so good, y'all. Trust me. And the squash and the potatoes. So good. Rogero is gonna love this. I know it. I'm full. I can't even try the chicken, but I did taste it as I was cooking. I know that's gonna be good too. Maybe I'll have one of those tomorrow, but anyway, that's it. Until the next time.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?